My name's Ron Kelly. I'm the senior pastor at the Village Seventh-Day Adventist Church in Berrien Springs. Behind me you can see a lot of happiness and joy as we're having a meal together here in El Salvador. We've been here with 170 people, building a bath and bunk house, doing a medical clinic, painting the new college, doing a VBS, and just enjoying the opportunity to be together in Christ. We take these mission trips so that we can bond, be blessed, and receive a blessing. It's so important that the Western churches understand that to whom much is given, much is expected. And what I've found over the years is that when you bring a church together on a 10-day mission trip, you get as much time together in those 10 days as you would if you were spending a Sabbath after another. Instead of looking at the back of each other's heads, you're eating together, working together, and worshiping together. It's been a fantastic journey. It's hard to imagine how much joy and pleasure has come out of this, but we were made for a purpose, and it's been an exciting adventure. And we certainly hope those that watch this video will have a sense of what they might do to make an impact somewhere outside of their home field. God talks through Ellen White about a reflex influence, that when we care for the work in the foreign fields, there's a reflex that blesses the homework in every way.
This year in our mission trip to El Salvador, the Village Church had the opportunity to organize a VBS here at the local schools in El Salvador. This school was Santa Tecla, a school with approximately 200 plus kids, grades anywhere from K through 9th, and I tell you, we had an amazing time. Our theme for the VBS was creation. We told the kids how Jesus is their creator. How the same way that Jesus spoke light where there was darkness is the same way that Jesus can speak light to our hearts today in a darkened world. It was an amazing time. It was a time of asking young people to always follow their creator. But most importantly, we had the youth understand that no matter what the world may say, God is the one who created this world and created them, and that God is the one that is one day looking forward to take them to glory land.